first of all, we have to clear our watch history. So from your YouTube, click on history, and here you will find your all YouTube video watch histories. In this right hand menu, click on clear all watch history and click on clear watch history, and this will clear your all YouTube watch histories. And then we have to clear our YouTube search history. So in this same menu, click on manage all history, and here you will find all of your YouTube search histories. Just click on delete, and here select delete all time, and just click on delete, and your YouTube all search histories will delete. And then we have to pause our YouTube future history. So go back to your YouTube watch history page, and here you will find this pause watch history. Just enable it. After that, we have to remove bad videos from our YouTube homepage manually. So go back to your YouTube homepage. Now all you have to need, scroll down and find out the video you are not interested. Just click on this three dot and click on don't recommend channel. Also click on not interested. That's how. Just go ahead and remove bad recommendations from your YouTube, and that's how you can actually reset our YouTube recommendations. Thanks for watching.